today I'm going to be teaching you how to create your own custom intro for your YouTube channels. So yeah, let's get right into it. But before we get right into it, as I said, leave a like below and share this video with your friends so it will be useful to them as well. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bells. So yeah, let's get right into this. First, go down to the description and click the link. I'm going to leave it down below and go to Panzoid. It should take you to this page, and yeah, you can choose any of this intro. I'm gonna choose this one, and I'm gonna click open and click maker, and let it just load in. So all I gotta do, it's so damn easy. If you do want, you can create your own intro and like go to new project and do it. I'm gonna play this intro and see how it looks.
Would you be the preacher? Would you be my done? I still got a lot of shit to learn.
Nah, I don't like that one too. Oh yeah. I think this one is a good one. Let's just see. The previous one was good, but I don't really like the color scheme. I could change that, but I'm too lazy to do that. I like that one. I like this one. So if you wanna know how do you change this your name thingy to your own name, just go and you see this text. It could be down. You have to scroll and search for it and all. It's here, so it's convenient. Just change it to your YouTube name, oh wait, let me just put caps on, Videology. Yeah, you can change the font to anything you want. Then you can also change the color, but I'm not gonna do it. Then let's see if you gotta do all text. Yeah, I think there's only one text, so it's easier for me. You see that it's Videology. You could change the color of anything. The rectangle, see this, see the yellow marks. You can change anything you want. You can change this music right. You can change that music by selecting your own audio file. You can change anything else if you want. Then just go to download your video. This should be balanced. I think that's the best one. Just put it to .webm. Then start video render. I'm gonna do it. Then after you start this video render, you gotta download it, and that's your intro. Thanks guys for watching my video. I'm not gonna wait until it gets downloaded because it might take a few minutes. So yeah, after this you just gotta download it and it's over. Before you go though, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bells, and like this video and share with your friends. Thank you and have a nice day.